यशस्वी, थोड़ा सा अपनी इनिंग्स को अगर आप डिकंस्ट्रक्ट कर पाएँ कि शुरुआत कैसी हुई और उसके बाद फिर जिस तरीके से आपने भी अप्रोच बदला, वो बहुत सारे प्लान्स के साथ आए थे, ऐसा लग रहा था आज ऑफ साइड उन्होंने बिहाइंड द स्क्वायर्स काफ़ी कवर रख रखा था, फिर शॉर्ट बॉल स्टफ भी आया आपकी तरफ, पर जिस तरीके से आपने खेला और इस इनिंग्स को भी आपके बारे में कहा जाता है कि अच्छी इनिंग्स खेलते हैं तो आप वो टैटू कराते हैं वो स्कोर, क्या ये जाएगा या फिर ये रह जाएगा?
बिल्कुल, मतलब मुझे मज़ा आया बैटिंग करके, बहुत अच्छा लगा और आई रियली enjoyed and there was a bit plan. I was just trying to keep playing the session and trying to play the spell, and then when I thought okay I can score runs and there is opportunity, so I will go and I will try and score some runs. That's what I was thinking when I was batting. And but initially when they were bowling really well with the new ball, so and wicket was bit damp I feel, so I was just trying to play as much as I can that time.
ऑब्वियसली आप लोग जो 4 बैट्समैन एकदम बहुत अच्छे फॉर्म में, वहाँ आप शुभमन, ऋषभ के, तो आप बता सकते हो ये जो बैटिंग ग्रुप बन रहा है, कोर बन रहा है, कैसे कन्वर्सेशंस आने से पहले आपस में कर रहे थे और आफ्टर द फर्स्ट टेस्ट मैच क्या कर रहे थे, कैसा, हाउ डू यू फील टुगेदर, बैटिंग टुगेदर ऑल ऑफ यू?
I think it's been amazing so far. We all are enjoying together and making sure that whoever is set take the game as deep as we can, and we usually talk about how we can play session by session as into the dressing room I feel, so we all are trying to do that and we are in very good mindset.
Off the field conversations?
Same.
Well played. How highly do you rate the innings from Shubman, from your captain, just given everything that's been going on in the last few days? There's been a lot of talk about Jasper as to whether he'd be in the team, wouldn't be in the team, 3 changes today. It felt like a lot of confusion from the outside, and then he goes and gets a big 100 like that.
I think he's been amazing the way he's batting. It's just incredible to see him bat as a captain also. He's been amazing, and I think he's very clear in his head what he needs to do with the team, and we are very confident what we are going to do. So yeah, we are just trying our best.
Did any of that confusion get into the squad before the game?
No, there is no confusion in it.
यशस्वी, लीड से कैसे कंपेयर करेंगे इस पिच को? दोनों अच्छी बैटिंग सर्विस करती हैं।
बिल्कुल, मुझे लगता है कि थोड़ा डिफरेंट है ऑफ कोर्स वहाँ पे लीड्स में और यहाँ पे, तो उस तरीके से अगर आप देखोगे तो विकेट पे सीम मूवमेंट उधर ज़्यादा था, इधर थोड़ा कम है, और बाउंस उधर ज़्यादा था, इधर थोड़ा कम है. सो देयर इज़ अ लॉट ऑफ डिफरेंस इन एनवायरनमेंट एज वेल इफ़ यू सी. सो आई थिंक वी जस्ट नीड टू अडैप्ट.
Yashasvi, the team was in a spot of bother when you lost 2 wickets in a space of 3 runs. अब जो सिचुएशन है टीम, आर यू सेटिस्फाइड? एंड कल का दिन कुछ प्लानिंग की क्या करना है, कैसे जाना है, क्योंकि बॉल अभी भी नया है, सिर्फ 5 ओवर पुराना है, तो अब क्या ख्याल?
आई थिंक द सिचुएशन इज़ वेरी नाइस एंड वी एंडेड अप ऑन अ वेरी गुड स्कोर today, so I think we will be trying to keep playing as long we can, and I think both the batsmen are doing quite good job, so I hope everything goes well.
Hi, just after the first test, when obviously you were in such a good position in the first innings and in the second innings, how have you sort of spoken about getting yourself into a good position as a side and actually going on with it, knowing how aggressive England can be with the bat?
I think we just need to focus on our process. That is what we always try to do, and we just need to focus on process and keep doing what we are doing and just keep believing. That's it.
How strong is the self-belief?
Too strong.
The second match running in which Ben Stokes has asked India to bat in what appears to be quite favourable batting conditions. Are you surprised that he keeps putting you into bat?
No, I always feel that when I'm thinking, I'm always thinking that we are going to bat, so I'm not surprised at all. I'm just trying to be ready mentally that whatever comes, it's nice. So I enjoy it.
यशस्वी, when you work so hard, एक इनिंग्स कंस्ट्रक्ट करते हो, और शुरू में नया बॉल आपने अच्छे से फेस करा, शुभमन के साथ वो पार्टनरशिप लगा, फिर ऐसी बॉल पे आउट हो जाते हो जो आंख बंद करके भी शायद चौके पे मार देते, तो कितना डिसअपॉइंटमेंट होता है और कितना फ्रस्ट्रेशन, वो कितनी देर तक रहता है ड्रेसिंग रूम में कि ये 100 तो देयर फॉर द टेकिंग था आज?
Of course, it's disappointed. Means for me, it is disappointing, but it's okay. I think it's a part of game as well. As I just need to keep learning with what I do, and with that, I want to enjoy the game as well, because in the end, I feel that it's just cricket, and cricket is a wonderful game. So I want to enjoy it as well.
When we see that England comes with a lot of plans, like they may have 2 short silly mid-offs, or even for you, before you had your 50, there were a lot of fielders on the leg side and you still pulled. So what's your thinking when such fielding things are kept, and what goes through your mind?
I try to find a solution. That what can I think of, and what will be good in this situation. So I just keep thinking about that. So there will be plan always. So I just need to find what solution it can be to come out with that plan.
Shruti, like you paced your innings really well, like you said in the beginning. But as a batsman, when do you decide, like, when do I defend deep and when do I pull the trigger? And also in between, there were a lot of quick singles, not just for yourself, but when Karun was batting, you ensured you picked a lot of quick singles so that the scoreboard kept ticking.
I think I don't know, it's just a feeling, I can say, that I think I practice too much and too hard. So when I bat, I feel, okay, maybe this will be the better option, so I just try.
Thank you. Thanks everyone.
Thank you.
क्रिकेट की हर बड़ी खबर, हर बड़े अपडेट और लाइव डिस्कशन के लिए जुड़िए मेरे साथ सिर्फ इंडिया टीवी क्रिकेट यूट्यूब चैनल पर।